Hi there, I'm Sonia, a professional makeup artist, and I'm thrilled to guide you through the creative world of Halloween makeup. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned makeup enthusiast, this audiobook will help you craft stunning Halloween looks that perfectly complement any costume. From spooky and eerie to cute and glamorous, I've got you covered. Over the years, Halloween has become one of my favorite times of the year. It's when makeup transforms people into anything their imagination desires, and the entire world becomes your canvas. Today, I'm going to walk you through various makeup styles, share some personal tips, and give you step-by-step guides on how to nail those iconic Halloween looks. But remember, Halloween makeup isn't about perfection. It's about having fun and embracing your creativity. So let's jump right in. Before you get started on your Halloween masterpiece, let's make sure you have all the right tools. Trust me, having the essentials in your kit makes all the difference. First, you need a solid base. Grab a full coverage foundation and concealer. These are key whether you're going for a glam look or aiming to look like you've just risen from the dead. Face paint is another must-have. Water-based or cream face paints are my go-tos. They blend easily and won't crack after a few hours. Setting powder or spray is also essential. Once you've spent all that time perfecting your look, you don't want it smudging halfway through the night. Brushes and sponges are your best friends when it comes to applying makeup smoothly. If you're doing any detailed work, make sure to use fine brushes for precision. And of course, if you're aiming for special effects, liquid latex, fake blood, and scar wax are your secret weapons. Now, let's talk about prepping your skin. This is the step that people often overlook, but it makes all the difference in how your makeup applies and lasts throughout the night. Start with clean, moisturized skin. If you're using heavy face paint or special effects like latex, I recommend using a primer or barrier cream to protect your skin. Trust me, it makes removing the makeup later so much easier. So once you're all prepped, you're ready to start transforming yourself. When I first started out, I gravitated towards scary looks for Halloween. Zombies, vampires, and skeletons were my go-to. Creating creepy, eerie makeup is all about playing with texture and shadows. Let me walk you through one of my favorite looks, the classic zombie. A few years ago, I did makeup for a haunted house, and I transformed myself into an undead bride. The key to a good zombie look is making your skin look decayed and hollow. Start with a foundation a few shades lighter than your skin tone. This gives you that deathly pale appearance. Then, use black and purple eyeshadow to create sunken eyes. Blend the shadow in irregular patterns around your eyes for that authentic undead look. The next step is where it gets fun: wounds. Liquid latex is perfect for this. Apply thin layers on your skin to create peeling effects. And once it's dry, add red and black face paint to simulate blood and decayed flesh. Finally, use fake blood around the mouth and wounds to really bring the look together. If you want something spooky but a bit more elegant, vampires are always a classic choice. Pale foundation is essential to give you that lifeless yet beautiful appearance. Use black and deep red eyeshadows to create a dramatic smoky eye. Don't forget a bold winged eyeliner to enhance the look. I always recommend adding some fangs and a subtle blood drip from the mouth. It's simple, but it makes a big impact. One of my tricks is using temporary tooth paint to whiten the teeth and then adding a little red around the corners to make it look like you've just had a meal. Not into scary? No worries. Glamorous Halloween makeup is a stunning way to stand out. Whether you're channeling an ice queen or a Hollywood starlet, it's all about shimmer, sparkle, and bold colors. A few years ago, I transformed my best friend into an ice queen for a party, and let me tell you, it was a showstopper. For this look, start with a flawless porcelain-like base. Highlighter is your best friend here. Use a silver or white highlighter along your cheekbones and nose to create that icy glow. Then, load up on the glitter. Silver glitter on the eyelids and cheekbones will give you that frosty, magical appearance. Pair it with icy blue or silver lipstick, and you're practically royalty. You can even add rhinestones around the eyes for an extra dramatic effect. Trust me, no one will be able to take their eyes off you. Halloween isn't just about scary or glamorous looks. It's also a chance to get playful and cute. One of the simplest, yet most adorable looks is the classic cat makeup. My daughter loves it, and each year we find ways to make it more unique. For a cute cat, start with a natural base. Use black eyeliner to draw a small triangle on the tip of your nose, and then extend 3 whiskers on each side of your cheeks. Go bold with the eyes. Winged eyeliner is a must for that feline effect. You can even add glitter to the inner corners of your eyes for a playful touch. Finish with a soft pink lip gloss, and you've got an easy yet charming look. If you want to go for something magical, a fairy princess is always a hit. This look is all about soft pastel colors and ethereal beauty. Start with a light foundation, and then use pastel pinks, blues, and purples on your eyelids. Add some glitter for extra sparkle, and use white eyeliner to draw delicate wings or flowers around your eyes. For the lips, a light pink or coral shade works perfectly. Top it off with a glossy finish, and you'll look like you've stepped right out of a fairy tale. If you're ready to take things up a notch, special effects makeup is where the magic happens. Prosthetics can turn you into anything, from monsters to fantasy creatures. I remember working on a horror film set where I helped create monsters using prosthetics. It was a huge challenge, but the results were incredible. Applying prosthetics takes time and patience. Start with clean skin and use spirit gum to apply the prosthetic. Once it's in place, use liquid latex to blend the edges into your skin, creating a seamless look. After that, it's all about color matching. Use foundation and face paint to blend the prosthetic with your skin tone. Add shadows, blood, or texture to give the prosthetic depth, and you'll be amazed at the transformation. One of the biggest challenges with Halloween makeup is making it last through the night. Trust me, I've been there. Spending hours perfecting a look only to have it smudge halfway through the party. But don't worry, I've got you covered with a few tricks. First, always use a primer before applying makeup. It helps everything stick and gives you a smoother base to work with. After your makeup is done, use a setting spray to lock it in place. And here's a tip. Always bring a small touch-up kit with you. Just some powder, eyeliner, and lipstick can make a huge difference if you need to refresh your look later in the night. Halloween is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Whether you're going for a terrifying zombie, a glamorous queen, or an adorable kitten, remember that makeup is an art form. The best part is the process of transformation, so enjoy every step of it. I hope this audiobook has inspired you to experiment, try new techniques, and create something magical this Halloween. Now grab your brushes and your face paints, and let's make this Halloween unforgettable. Happy Halloween, and have a spooky, glamorous, and fun time creating your perfect look.